Here on Westco Beach, we see the Lone Seagull minding its own business. Look at this seagull. This is what no chips does to a motherfucker. It's walking along. Zoom out, it's a bit less blurry. So you can see in great detail the seagull is moving along the beach. This is invigorating stuff. You see that little white dot on screen? That is the seagull. The reference point. Cue epic music. As we see, the seagull is pecking the ground and eating sand like a fucking idiot. There is no nutrients in sand, only despair. No one knows faster than the seagull, other than it has no friends. A virgin. Oh fuck, where the seagull, there it is. Hello seagull. The seagull is going around in circles, which is just a repetitive routine. Much like that, a Fortnite gamer.
You videoing?
Yeah.
You just...
I'm recording the seagull moving around.
Recording the seagull.
It's just artistic. I'm making a shot.
That is straight.
Yeah, but no, look at the camera mode now. I'm now.
It's shaking.
That's the joke. It's meant to be amateur. It's artistic. Everyone's gonna analyse this shit. Yeah, let's go back on the film. So let's change the Angela for me. This is really pretentious. Oh no. We're just doing a full 360 spin. It's not going very well. Come on, come on. I've got this seagull. I've got to capture it. Dude, the longer it goes on for the funnier it gets. This is great. The seagull is now dead.
No.